Okay, so right now I will show you why do you need a buyer's account and why it is important for you to be able to log in as a buyer when you are searching your property. So when you take a look at your profile here, if you are logged in as a buyer, you will see this favorite, search your profile, and then you can log out. So what are these about? So this is something that is very useful because if you are not logged out, you cannot add your or any listing as your favorite. So example that I'm browsing around here and I take a look at this property and say, okay, this property that I'm trying to look at is one of the properties that I like. So I browsed everything, the pictures and everything, and I say, okay, I love this property. If you are not logged out, you cannot add this to favorites. So chances are you will forget this. So I will click favorite and that is now added to my favorite. So to unfavorite, you need to click it again and then it will be gone to your favorites. So assuming that you are also trying to go to the search and you found a lot of things here that you say you like, you can just hit that heart and it says favorite, and then the property will be added to favorite. So say this one, I want this as my favorite. So when I go back to searching, say after 1 week, I want to go uh, take a look at the properties I have searched before. All I need to do is not to do search again, but I will go here, log in as a buyer, okay, or log in as your agent or broker. You can also do the same thing, favorites and save. Then I'll go favorites. And then I will see here, okay, all the things, okay, I mean all the properties that I have added as a favorite. So say after 2 weeks, okay, I come back and log in and say, yeah, I want to see if the properties I have searched are still there. So go to your favorites and you can see it here. Otherwise, you don't log in. Okay, you cannot remember this, I believe. So then I can go there and take a look at what is this. So I'll go there and take a look at. So this is how you actually use your favorites and as well as uh, navigate around to the property. Now, so assuming I am at the homepage and I would love to do some search, or maybe I'm on the buy section and then I would love to do a big search, right? So assuming that I want to find a property, say in Antipolo. So let me see, Antipolo, somewhere here. I'll go with Antipolo Rizal. Okay. So I want to make my search wider. So I don't want to put the maximum budget and something like that. I hit search and then remember this is the search I was doing, Antipolo and then something like that. Now, if you say, oh, I'm seeing a very good number of properties over here and you like it, I said, maybe I could save the search. So I can do it here, save search, and then the search query will be saved to your profile. So when I come back here and go to my save search, and then you will see that the Antipolo is there and you can take action like viewing all your saved search. And then this will open the Antipolo search that you have. So there you go. So that's how you use the favorites and save search. And that's how useful the favorites and save search if you are logged in and surfing around, browsing around on the properties. Have a great day.